Hello, green thumbs and garden enthusiasts. Welcome back to Urban Garden Republic, where we transform your gardening dreams into lush realities. Today, we're diving into the powerful world of companion planting, a strategy every professional gardener swears by. Join us as we uncover how pairing the right plants can naturally enhance your garden's health, productivity, and beauty. Companion planting is the strategic placement of different crops in close proximity for pest control, pollination, providing habitat for beneficial insects, maximizing use of space, and to otherwise increase crop productivity. Let's explore how this age-old practice can work wonders in your urban garden. Why embrace companion planting? It's all about creating a balanced ecosystem, from deterring pests with natural aromas to improving soil nutrients and even saving space. Companion planting is the organic gardener's best-kept secret for a thriving garden. Now, let's dive into some winning plant combinations. First up, tomatoes and basil. Not just culinary companions, but garden allies, with basil repelling pests and enhancing tomato flavor. Don't forget about marigolds. These vibrant flowers deter nematodes and pests while attracting pollinators. Here are several crops to plant together for companion planting. Beans and corn. Beans fix nitrogen in the soil, which benefits the nitrogen-hungry corn. The corn stalks, in turn, provide a natural trellis for the beans to climb. Cucumbers and radishes. Radishes can help deter cucumber beetles and other pests from cucumbers. The radishes act as a trap crop, luring pests away from the cucumbers. Nasturtiums and squash. Nasturtiums are known to repel squash bugs and other pests, making them excellent companions for squash and other cucurbits like cucumbers and melons. Marigolds and tomatoes. Marigolds emit a scent that repels nematodes and other pests, making them beneficial when planted near tomatoes, peppers, and eggplants. Borage and strawberries. Borage improves the growth and flavor of strawberries. It also attracts bees and other pollinators, which are necessary for strawberry pollination. Carrots and leeks. Planting carrots and leeks together is beneficial because the scent of leeks repels carrot flies, while the scent of carrots repels onion flies and leek moths. Dill and cabbage. Dill attracts beneficial wasps that prey on cabbage worms, making it a good companion for cabbage, kale, and other brassicas. Garlic and roses. Garlic can help repel pests like aphids from roses. The strong scent of garlic is believed to mask the scent of the roses, making them less attractive to pests. Lettuce and tall flowers. Tall flowers can provide shade for lettuce, which prefers cooler temperatures. This can help extend the growing season for lettuce in warmer climates. Oregano and broccoli. Oregano helps repel pests that commonly affect broccoli and other brassicas, such as cabbage butterflies. Peas and carrots. Peas fix nitrogen in the soil, which carrots benefit from. Additionally, the taller pea plant can provide some light shade for the carrots, keeping the ground cooler. Sunflowers and cucumbers. Sunflowers can provide a natural trellis for cucumber vines to climb. They also attract pollinators, which are beneficial for cucumbers and other vining plants. By incorporating these companion plants into your garden, you can create a more productive and harmonious environment that naturally deters pests and encourages beneficial insects, leading to healthier plants and a more bountiful harvest. Implementing companion planting is easier than you think. Start by choosing compatible pairs that match your garden's conditions. Plan your garden layout with companions in mind, considering factors like sunlight, soil type, and water needs. Remember, diversity is key to a balanced garden ecosystem. While companion planting offers myriad benefits, there are pitfalls to avoid. Overcrowding can lead to competition for resources, and not all companions are beneficial, like fennel, which can inhibit the growth of most plants. Knowledge is power, so research before you plant. There you have it, a guide to unlocking the full potential of your garden with companion planting. Embrace this natural synergistic approach and watch as your garden flourishes like never before. For more gardening wisdom and tips, subscribe to Urban Garden Republic. Until next time, keep growing and keep green.